I received this review opportunity from PawSono, and I'm really impressed, and I was very excited because I love anything with dogs. So this is a moisturizing balm stick. Just open it up, and you could twist it to lift it up from the bottom. It's a moisturizing balm stick made to soothe and protect the dog's paws and nose when the paw or the nose gets dry or rough from walking on the pavement or from salt or cold weather. So it's really easy to use. And you can see that it isn't greasy. You just twist it up, swipe it on, nothing messy, no fingers, no greasy floors. So when the dog touches the ground, my hand is not greasy. I tested this on my West Highland Terrier for a few days, and his paws already look and feel much softer, even after just a couple uses. Completely safe for dogs, made with coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. So when I put this on Fred, I don't really need to worry if he licks. It is lick safe. I do plan on using this balm all year round. So like after walks, after baths, and especially with the winter coming up when the paws dry out the most. This is quick, it is clean, and it works really better than anything I have ever tried before. No mess, that's what I love. My hardwood did not get greasy. So if your pup ever gets cracked paws or a dry nose, because this could be used on the nose as well, this PawSono stick is an easy must-have fix. Highly recommend.